In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users or agents in Freshdesk. Understanding this process can help you effectively manage your team's customer support dynamics. So, let's dive into how you can seamlessly onboard new agents to your Freshdesk account. First things first, you'll need to ensure that you're logged in with administrator privileges. Only an admin can perform onboarding tasks such as adding new users or agents. This step is crucial as you'll be navigating through settings that require elevated permissions. Once you've logged in, head over to the User Management section. Begin by locating the Admin option on the sidebar. Click on it, and you'll find yourself in an area where you can oversee various administrative tasks. Next, look for the Team or Team Management option, depending on how your interface is set up. This will be your go-to section for managing your agents. Click on Agents or Users to view the list of existing users within your Freshdesk account. Now that you're in the right place, let's move on to adding a new agent. You'll see a button labeled either New Agent or Add User at the top of the list. Click on this button, and you'll be prompted to add a new member to your team. As you proceed, you'll need to specify the agent type. Decide whether this person will be a full-time agent, which requires a license, or an occasional agent who will use a day pass. It's important to note that if you're using the free or trial plans, you're limited to a maximum of 10 agents. Next, you have to provide the agent's email. This step is mandatory. Freshdesk will automatically check to see if the email already exists in the system. If it's a new email, you can proceed to fill in additional details, such as their name, phone number, job title, profile picture, and even their preferred language or time zone. These details can vary based on your specific Freshdesk plan. In cases where the email is already linked to a contact, you'll encounter a banner with the option to convert to agent. Clicking this allows you to choose between a full-time or occasional agent and complete the conversion process. After deciding the agent type, you'll need to set their scope and roles. Scope determines what tickets the agent can access, ranging from global, which includes all tickets, to group or restricted access. Roles further define the agent's permissions, with options like account admin, administrator, supervisor, agent, and any custom roles you've created. You also have the option to assign the agent to one or more groups. This can significantly enhance collaboration and streamline ticket assignments. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary information and made your selections, click Create Agent or Save. The new agent will receive an activation email prompting them to log in and set their password. And that's it. You're now equipped to add new users or agents to Freshdesk, helping you bolster your team and enhance customer service management. Thanks for tuning in, and happy onboarding.